We have talked enough of the theory, right? So let us just take that first baby step. Okay, so we'll take a baby step by uh, first importing a specific model. Okay, so this time from SkyKit, we will import a linear model from sklearn. Okay, that means from the package we are importing linear underscore model. Okay, so we can just run this, and if there is no error, that means this sklearn is package is already installed and you have successfully imported linear model. So because there isn't any other instruction, so we haven't seen any output here. So now let us cut this and use the same print of YouTube channel way to know. Okay, so now let us run. So you can see here. So that means this import is successful, and then we are able to print something. So a simple step, baby step to show the import. We will talk in detail on how to import a particular Excel sheet or something and try to analyze, visualize, plot basically, and show the data in various forms. Okay, we will see those in the coming videos.